Hey there. So we're going to do our making words today and see what words we find that have ight in them. Remember, our ight words this week have I-G-H-T. They are not I-T-E, I-G-H-T. So let's try and commit what these words look like to our visual memory. All right? So first, let's look at what letters we have. We'll start with the vowels. We have I and E as our vowels for making words. So remember, short and long sounds. Short I says eh. Long I says I. Short E says eh. Long E says E. So we'll use those sounds in our words. All right. We also have F, H, G, N, T, and R. Okay, so we're going to start with a 3-letter word, and that word is fin. I have 6 goldfish at my house, and each one has a fin. Remember, that's the short I sound. Fin. Fin. Okay, we're gonna add the other vowel and see what the bossy E does to fin. Can you see it already, you guys? The bossy E tells I to say its name. That means we just made fine. Fine. How you doing? I'm doing fine. 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 Okay. Ooh, I'm running out of room on the camera for writing the words. Okay, now we're going to change one letter and we're going to make it into fire. Do you see which letter to change? Fire. Fire. It is way too hot to build a fire right now. I'll write it over here above the leaf maybe, because if I write it lower, you guys are going to hardly see these words. Oh, the leaf is in the way, isn't it? There it is. Peekaboo. Fire. Fire. Okay, now we're going to change the first letter. I'm going to change f, and I'm going to put h. Okay, now I have h. Do you see what word that makes? Higher. Higher. When you get a new job, that place hires you. Hire. That sounds weird. It wasn't the right tense. Sorry, I tried. Hire. Hire me for the job. Hire me for your lemonade stand. Hire. Different than, can I get my board higher so you can see it? That's spelled different. Okay, our next word, again, we're gonna change the first sound. We're gonna take the h away and we're gonna put t, t. Okay, so if I take h and I put t, do you see what I make? Tire. How many are on your car? I bet there's 4. Tire. T-I-R-E, tire. Good job. Okay. And now we're moving on. We are going to change these letters around and we're going to make the word night. It was still hot last night. Night. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to need that, but I'm not going to need the R. Na. N-I-G-H-T. Night. There it is. One of our first I-G-H-T words. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Okay, let's see what's next. We're going to change the N and put F. So what word is it going to become if we change N to F? Ight. Fight. Oops. Fight. Don't fight with your brother. Over Legos, fight. There may or may not have been a fight about Legos in my house this morning. So maybe that was inspired. Fight. Okay. Next, we're gonna change f into er. So if I put at the beginning, right. I write with my right hand. This is my right hand. Ight. Right. Okay, let's see. Now, we're gonna keep the and we're gonna put at the beginning. Right. What's that gonna do? Fright. There we go. Barely on the board, but I kind of made it. Okay, so we have fright, we have an N and an E. Is anybody seeing the secret word up there? Are you seeing the secret word? Because we can keep fright, and we can put this here, and we can put this here, and we have frighten. I feel. No, that'll be the wrong tense. A spider might frighten me if I'm not expecting it. And that is the truth, you guys. A spider might frighten me. Frighten. I'm gonna write it up here since all the letters are there. And then I'm going to underline our chunk. I-G-H-T. Ight. I-G-H-T. Ight. I-G-H-T. Ight. I-G-H-T. Good job. And I-G-H-T. Good job. So, like yesterday, I'd like you guys to use these words in your mind, connect both sides to try and remember that these words have the I-G-H-T in them that says ight. So even though it sounds like I-T-E and it sounds nothing like it has a G and an H, it still does. So write them down, use pictures, use whatever you need to do to remember these words. We need to use our visual memories. And if we do, we will get them. All right, guys, see you later.